welcome in this video. In this video I am going to show you another airdrop video that could be make money to you totally free. There is nothing cost you except your time. So how you can come through and walk through this airdrop, everything I will show you. So first thing first, you need to come into my telegram. So here is our telegram, this on. So in order to join in this telegram, check out this video's description box. So after doing it, come into here and check out and click on here. Okay, exactly this pin post. Okay, so I'm clicking on this my pin post, and here is 8 July. Today 8 July I'm creating this video. So sorry, you can join over 8 July. Okay, you can join uh, after 8 July, no problem. It's not a mandatory to join in the early. So it is testnet. It is existence long time, so never be freak out. So I'm going to show you today this airdrop. So Mozaic. Okay, so click on that Mozaic airdrop, and that will bring you inside of the main post. So here is a couple of Glax tasks you need to do in order to being eligible in this airdrop. And every answer I put it, just to participate, do social task done, and put on your answers in the answer section box. So if you want to read this thing, read out loud and know about them. To celebrate your launching road to relaunch a community incentivized campaign to thank those who stood by us during tough times. Tough time means you are early, and they are early, so nobody knows them. You are helping them to know more, and you are helping them to help that their product is viable or not too viable to use. So anyhow, so what you need to do in order to join in this airdrop, just copy this link and paste onto your browser. So here is what you need to have inside of your browser is a MetaMask. So uh, Glax, Glax is the website of Quist, and MetaMask is your wallet. So entering my MetaMask, it will be connected with Glax. Okay, so anyhow, it will be connected, and after connecting, what you need to do, each of the tasks you need to do step by step. Okay, so couple of Glax task has on there, and every task is simple, just to sell task. What you need to do is just click on this follow, and every task would be done. Okay, so before joining on the airdrop, you need to first check out that which wallet you are connecting, because while they will distribution their token, you need to connect your wallet in the eligibility website, and where your token will be pop up, allocation would be pop up, how many tasks you did done. So this type of thing would be considered at the time. So anyhow, I'm doing it, and after doing it, what I would do is I would run all sort of tasks. It is easy, straightforward. If you feel complex, if you know if you feel certain task is defeated, you just do that over and over again. If that is doesn't work that way, even just reach out to me, I will help you definitely. So in that task maybe you would done. So now what we need to do is second task. Okay, so here is each section has an answer where you will put your answer. So here is showing you the quiz. Here is start answering the quiz, and it is starting. Okay, so here we just do start, and your quiz will pop up, and every answers one number answer is this C, this to number B, this, like step by step I showed you. And copy this link, paste on there, and same way do such as copy this link and paste here, and do same way. And where has three quiz task, just answer like quiz number 1 C C D E B. Every answer I already put it on here. So after turning that, so here we copy this link, paste on there, and answer I put it here. It's a simple. And after doing that, week 5, copy this link and paste on your exact browsers that you did participate. So same browser you need to have. Okay, so each of those answer I already put it on Telegram. So if you don't yet come into my Telegram, please check this video's description box and walk through here. So maybe you will get a couple of money from here. There is, you don't need to spend any money. Okay, so making money now is not hard at complex as complex as you think, but it's take time. So if you want to participate in this airdrop and getting updated, please come into Telegram. I will definitely will help you making more money. So do subscribe and see you later the next time.